My dear learners, I hope you are still doing well. This is teacher Mugisha P who has come back to teach you mathematics. We are still handling percentages, and in our lesson today, I'm going to take you through finding quantities which are equivalent to percentages. I hope you are going to enjoy this lesson. Example number 1. If somebody tells you to find 20% of 800 pupils, what do? You must be knowing how to change 20% into a fraction. So this one is 20% of the number given, which is 800 pupils. So you write 20% as a fraction. 20% we learned the other time that it means 20 out of 100. Then of mathematically means multiplication. So you multiply it by 800 pupils. Then you reduce. You can cancel this 0 with this one. We still have this. You cancel this one with that one. So I have remained with the 2 out of 1. And any number divided by 1 is that number. So we write 2. Then times 80. Don't forget the units, okay? This one is in pupils. So when we work out this one, side work, 80 multiplied by 2, what do we get? 2 times 0, any number times 0 is 0. 2 times 8 means you add 8 2 times, which is 16. So we are getting 160 pupils. 160 pupils. Let's have another example. Number 2. What is 25% of 1,000 cows? Question mark. What is 25% of 100,000? So this one will give us 25% of 1,000 cows. So you write 25% as a fraction, which is 25 out of 100. Of means multiplication times 1,000 cows. Then you reduce this one with this one with that. So for that case we have remained with 25, which is multiplied by 10, and the units are cows. Multiply this one properly, but remember we can use also zero concept. So 25 times 1, we shall get 25. Then we add on this 0. So we get 250 cows. 250 cows. So this one means the heading is saying finding quantities equivalent percentage. So it means 250 is equivalent to 25%. 160 is equivalent to 20%. Let's have another example. Let's have another example, number 3. In a class of 90 pupils, 40% of them are boys. and the rest are girls. So, question 1, how many boys are there? In a class of 90 pupils, 40% of them are boys and the rest are girls. So my question goes, how many boys are there? Now, do we know the percentage of boys? Yes, the percentage of boys is known as 40%. So we shall get 40% of the total number of pupils, which is 90 pupils. And this one is going to give you 40 out of 100 times to the place of 90 pupils. This one will go with this one with that, then we shall have 4 times 9 under units pupils. Okay, table 4 or table 9. 4 times 9, what do we get? Yes, somebody is telling me 36. So the answer becomes 36 pupils. 36 pupils. I may also add on B, then I say how many are boys? How many are boys? So, do we know the percentage of boys? In the question, it is not given, okay? So, we have 2 methods through which we can get the answer. 1, you can use the number of girls to get the number of boys. How? If the class has 90 pupils, and we are taking away number of boys. No, I have set the same question. This one is number of girls. Number of girls. So we can get the total number of children in class. Then you take away number of boys. And how many boys do we have? We have 36. So vertical subtraction is required here. 90, you take away 36. 0 take away 6. We have to regroup. This one is 8. This one is 10. 10 take away 6, we get a 4. 8 take away 3, we get 5. Therefore, we shall have 54 girls. If you don't want to use this method, then you can first calculate the percentage of girls. Do you still remember how to get the missing percentage? I told you you get 100%. Then you take away the percentage of boys, which is 40%. Then the percentage you will get is 60. So it means in this class, girls take 60%. So it is going to be 60% out of 100, then times the total number of children in the class, which is 90. This one will go with this one will go with that, then it is 6 times 9, which will give you 54 girls. Therefore, while you are working out this, you are free to go for this, you are free to do this one. What is very important in mathematics is you to know what you are supposed to get. Thank you so much for being good learners. I hope you have understood this work. I'm going to give you an activity, and please sit down and enjoy the work. Bye-bye.